What are the steps to sync Garmin Connect with Apple Health, and how does it work?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle the process of syncing your Garmin Connect with Apple Health. This method allows your fitness data to be shared seamlessly between the two platforms, maximizing the benefit you get from tracking your health and wellness.
What do you need before starting?
To begin, ensure you have the Garmin Connect app installed on your iPhone and you are logged into your Garmin account. The Apple Health app should already be installed on your device as it is a native application.
How to enable permissions in Apple Health?
The first step to syncing your data is granting permissions in Apple Health. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Apple Health on your iPhone. 2. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Browse tab. 3. Scroll down and select Apps. 4. You'll see a list of apps that can connect to Apple Health. Find Garmin Connect and select it. 5. Now, you'll be presented with several categories of data. Enable all the categories that you want Garmin Connect to read and write to.
How to enable permissions in Garmin Connect?
After granting permissions in Apple Health, you need to do the same in Garmin Connect. Here are the steps. 1. Open Garmin Connect on your iPhone. 2. Tap on More in the bottom right corner. 3. In the list that appears, select Settings. 4. Scroll down and tap on Third-Party Apps. 5. You'll see Apple Health listed there. Tap on it. 6. Much like in Apple Health, you'll be shown several categories of data. Enable all the categories you want Apple Health to read and write to. By performing these steps, you've created a bridge for data to flow between Garmin Connect and Apple Health.
How does the data sync work?
Once you've granted permissions on both sides, the data sync will happen automatically. This means any new data that your Garmin device collects will be sent to Apple Health, and any new data that Apple Health collects will be sent to Garmin Connect. This way, you have all your fitness data in both apps and can make the most out of their individual features. And there you have it. That's the whole process of syncing Garmin Connect with Apple Health. It might seem a bit complex at first, but once you've done it, it's all smooth sailing from there. Now you can enjoy a seamless integration of your fitness data. As always, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay healthy and keep tracking.